In this recording, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Form add-on called Flubaroo to grade a quiz online. The first step is to create your quiz in a Google Form, which you all have been practicing doing. Here's my quiz. It's got 10 questions and asks for the person's first name and last name. The next step is to take the quiz yourself and put in all the correct answers. So when you go to the results, you can see here this line, this first line number 2 is the answer key, where I've gone through and put in the correct answers. Then I've also had the members of my family take the quiz this afternoon. So you can see we've all taken the quiz. So I have 4 students who have taken the quiz. Next step is to get the Flubaroo add-on. So click on the menu that says Add-on, Get Add-ons, and search for Flubaroo, F-L-U-B-A-R-O-O. I have it right here, so I'm going to click Free and tell it to add Flubaroo to my Google account, and I'm going to accept all those requirements. Now you'll say once you've collected student submissions, it's going to help you use the Flubaroo add-on. So now I'm ready to grade those quizzes, so I'm going to click Flubaroo, Grade Assignment, and it's going to ask me a few questions so it knows how to grade the assignment properly. So there's 10 questions in my quiz, and each one of them is going to be worth 1 point. You can make it worth different amounts of points, or for the bottom 2, where I just ask the person's name, I'm going to say identify student. If it's one that you, maybe it's a short answer or something that you can't grade online, you can say skip grading, and you'll have to grade those in a different way. So these 2, your first and last name, identify the student, every other one is worth 1 point. Now you're going to say it needs to know where are the correct answers. So in this case, they're in this row that is identified with the term answer key. And I'll click Continue, and it is going to grade the assignment. When it's done, it's going to give me this sheet, and it's going to tell me that it's added a new page in my results spreadsheet, and the news page is called Sheets. So now I'm going to view the grades. So on this tab called Grades, you can see a summary of how these 4 students did on the assignment and the average amount of points, and then you can go through and see how each student did. Ben got a 70%. The rest of us didn't do that well on the quiz. Shows you but by the highlighting which in particular were the questions that students didn't do or struggled with the most. The questions that are highlighted in the yellow are the ones the students struggled with the most. And that is, in a nutshell, how you use the Flubaroo add-on to grade a quiz in Google Forms.